children, today we are going to learn a new craft. In this craft activity, I will show you how to make bird feeder. Today we will learn to make two types of bird feeders. You know why we are making these bird feeders? Because we are going to do this activity for Environment Day, and birds are the part of our environment and we should always be helpful to birds and nature. So for our birds, today we'll make two types of bird feeders. One bird feeder is very simple. In that, I'm going to use this type of box. You can use any box, if small, big, but it should not be so deep. So for this activity, I will need a box and a thread, sellotape, and it's ready to go. First of all, we'll need the strings, and we'll take 4 parts of strings. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now I have 4 equal size of threads ready with me, as you can see. Right? Now I will cut this. In equal size. And we'll tie small knots. Here at the end of the thread, I am going to tie few knots so that our thread will not get slip. Okay, so this type of knots can be very useful. So this is one thread. Now the same I will repeat with the other threads. For making these knots, you can take help from your elders. So our threads are ready, and now I will show you how you can stick these threads into this bird feeder. Right? So here I am going to use this, and I will stick this thread inside it here with the help of sellotape. Now can you see, because we have made a knot, it is not getting slip, it is not coming out. Okay, the same way we'll stick the other threads in other corners. And the last one here. So now, as you can see, we have got this type of hanging bird feeder. Right? You can pull this thread together and you can make a knot, or you can also make a loop so that you can hang it somewhere properly. See, and I will cut the extra threads. is our bird feeder. And now I'm going to decorate it and I'll show you how we can make it more interesting. So for that I'm going to use this glue and I will apply this glue around this box. As you can see, I have applied glue. I'll cover all the sides. This way. And then we will take any color tape or ribbon or something. I have this red color ribbon, so I'm using it. See. Can you see how am I wrapping it? So now our bird feeder will look more attractive. And colorful. Right? We'll cut the extra ribbon and stick the last part properly. Like this. Now, as you can see, we have covered this whole box nicely. Now, after doing this, I have few sticker sheets. I have few smileys and this type of stickers. So, I'll stick the stickers on this ribbon to make it more attractive and interesting. This way. So, isn't it beautiful? I hope you like this bird feeder. Now you will have to add some grains in it and it's ready to hang into your balcony or wherever you want, on the tree, right? So now it's time to make another bird feeder. Now for the next bird feeder, I have this type of bottle, right? How I have used this bottle, I have marked some place and I have cut this bottle, right? As you can see, the upper part I have cut and here I have made a little space with the cutter. For cutting this thing, you will have to take help from your mama, papa or any elder. Do not use your cutter or scissor by yourself, right? So for this bottle, now what I am going to do, I am going to take a paper and first of all, we'll take a margin of the bottle. Now, if I take margin, you can see that little bit part, this much part is bigger. But what we can do, we can cut this part. So, I am going to cut one part. Let's try. And now you can see that it's ready. Now we'll stick this paper on this bottle. For that, I have taken this glue. You can use any type of glue or any other paper, whichever paper is available at home, take that and apply glue properly. Then take your bottle and start rolling it. So now this roll is ready. Now what I am going to do, here I have a space where I made a hole. For that I will make a small slit, and as you can see I will make cut till the corners. So this type of cut which we can fold inside. This way. So for that again we will use little bit glue. I will apply glue here on these sides. All the four sides. And bend the paper inside. So this is the way we'll get this bird feeder. Now here we have space where we can put our grains. Now on the top of it I'm going to use this circle, and I will slit the circle till the center, this way. Okay. Now as you will turn this and cover one part on another part, you will get this type of cone shape. So apply glue on the sides and make this type of cone. Now this cone I am going to attach here. Now on the top of this we can fold the extra part inside. This way, and then we'll get somewhat thicker border on which we are going to apply glue. Apply glue properly, and then you can attach this hat. So this is our bird feeder and it's ready now. You can put it anywhere in the house, like outside, on tree or somewhere where birds can come and eat grains, right? I hope you like this activity. You can also tie strings here if you wish, so that you can hang it. So these two bird feeders are ready, and we are ready to help the environment. Okay, bye bye.